I use a ball peen hammer. Use this on all jobs. It got a round end and a flat end. When people pull out screws and nails and brackets out of the walls, they raise the fur of the sheetrock, which is right there. And we can't patch over it, because if we try to, it's gonna look like that. And that, when you paint it, it's gonna stay like that. It's not gonna be professional. So we take the round end of the hammer and we tap it and we touch it with our hand. And when we see that it's indentated, then we patch it. Now the patching is in the hole where it belongs. So we'll do this one here. And when it's in smooth, we'll patch it. Now the patch is in the hole and it's not a mountain. We'll try this one here. This one's a little different. This one you'll also need a wallpaper scraper from the sheetrock. So we're gonna have to get it out of there. I can't patch it. So I'm gonna push it in around the edges of the paper. That'll need 2 coats of patching. This one is like a volcano. Now it's just filled into the patch. This one over here, same thing. It appears that the screw pulled out the paper. So we have to ball peen hammer it in. It's in the patch. So these will need 2 coats, and that's the way you do it. That screw, normally I wouldn't even take it out if I don't have to. I'm using Durabond 20. Normally I'll tap it in, ball peen hammer it, and then I'll patch it. Now the screw is hidden. These patches will need 2 coats.